Okay, hello everyone. I thought I am going to make a video about booting times of comparing Linux and Windows booting times, and I think it will be very interesting. This will be also uncut. Okay, the way I will doing this is that here is my ASUS laptop. This is from 2007, and there is the machine of my brother and also some work of mine in the in the corner. Don't pay attention to it. And I will try to start both of them as close to each as possible. Also, I will measure the time maybe with a simple stopwatch using this mobile phone, and that's how it will be. I will just push the buttons, and for that I need to put the phone down a bit. Okay, 1, 2. Both pushed at the same time. Okay, monitor is on, great. This is booting. The Dell machine is also booting. Group is loading up. I need to push a button for here. Here BIOS is booting up. I need to push some key for BIOS. Yeah, Windows is starting. Linux is booting up. And Linux is already booted. Now I just enter the username, which I failed, the password. We are in the system. Start X server, like the graphical environment. Windows also starts graphical environment. Linux have started it. Set Hungarian keyboards, and we are already going. Start a browser. Linux is starting a browser. Windows is loading. Linux loads the browser. The browser has been loaded. Windows still loading. And I have browser with plenty of open tabs. And it's 1 minute 50 seconds for the browser. Windows, it's still doing some things. I don't want updates. Those things don't automatically come on Linux, thank God. Completely usable system on the Linux, like blazing fast. On Windows, it's like, if I start the browser, where is the browser? Fuck, Chrome, yeah. Start the browser. Just circulating thing with the error cursor. And it's already nearly 3 minutes. Browser is starting. Oi, oi, oi. Pretty much waiting. Come on. And for a single tab, I have like 5 tabs here on the Linux. And it's finally here. And the system starts to be usable. Some amount. Come on. I cannot write with the keyboard. I'm pushing, and it's like, oh, once again waiting, loading. Come on. No. So the system is up and running on the Windows, but it's over 3 minutes and it's still not responsive, while here I can of course write and it's completely responsive. There is nothing I can stop that can stop me. Double commander. Okay. Oh, finally it worked here. Now the letters got entered. So yeah. That's it. Here I started the application also for commander. Yeah. So it's pretty fast for here. Yeah. And the specs for the machines tested here. Okay, it's like it can be said that the system got responsive around 4 minutes for the Windows. And I don't know, I told in the video when it was the browser app for the Linux, and it was already responsive very much. It was less than 3, maybe 2. And before the graphical environment I have started, it was like, I don't know, 1 minute or even less. Windows, not very much. And now the interesting part, the specs of these machines I've written down. This is an ASUS A4 laptop, 1.6 gigahertz, single core, 32 bits processor, Intel Celeron M, and 1.3 gigabytes of memory on the laptop. It's a mid-level machine from 2007, and it has a video card of Ati Radeon XPress 200M. Once I fix the driver for that. Oh, and the antivirus is coming on the Windows. Anyways, on the Windows machine, the Windows PC, it's a powerhouse compared to the laptop, and it's still slower with the Windows. And it's PC Intel Xeon E5606, a 4-core 64-bit processor at 2.13 gigahertz compared to the 1.62 here, which is single core. So this is much slower. And this machine has 9 gigabytes of RAM memory currently, and Intel Geforce GTX 950. Both machines boot from hard disks. None of them has SSD or anything like that. So yeah. Oh, and the operating systems. This is now Arch 32, like a 32-bit version of Arch Linux. And the other is Windows 7, I think Ultimate or something. Yeah. Both machines are in daily use, so it's like I also have applications that auto start, and my brother also has. That's his machine, and this is mine. So yeah. And that's it. A little boot speed comparison. I could not pay attention that much to the the timing, but you can pretty much you can basically calculate it yourself if you really want to. But the performance of the Windows system is like not the best, and I think it would be just worse with Windows 10. Of course, on this laptop, Windows would not even work, for not even Windows 7 for, I don't know, would work, but it would be unusable slow. And this is pretty much nice. Actually, I was working on this a week ago, basically, like doing literally work for money and everything. So, and I think the guy who was present at the area, he was not even paying attention that this is a machine from 2007. Yeah. So of course, this is a much more recent machine, having much better stats for the PC. Still, the laptop with Linux easily beats it with boot times, and both are for daily use. So that's it, folks. And in the corner, you also see like junk I am working on. It's basically a cheap augmented reality headset. So that I should have put away, actually. Now you know the secret. Goodbye. Just feel free to comment, share, whatever. And visit the blog if you want to see the how to fix the video driver and stuff like that I mentioned, and also cool other stuff. Goodbye.